For those of you who still claim you believe in one Nigeria, I don't want to insult you. I don't want to do that. But you see, there are certain things you do. Even an unborn child knows that you don't belong to the normal side of life. We are supposed to be a secular state in Nigeria, right? That's what you claim. It's supposed to be a secular state. And about 12 states in Nigeria recognize and practice Sharia law. And just to buttress this fact, recently, and I'm sure everybody must have seen the news, we were told that the Sharia police had been given order to arrest Muslim faithfuls who were caught eating in the public during the Ramadan. Sharia police in a secular state where there is a police force, national police force, Nigerian police force. You have a Sharia police up north, but down in the south, east and south, we cannot have our own religious Christian police, right? But it is operating in the north, and you have one Nigeria. Is there anything I'm saying here that is not true, that is not factual? Sharia police is operational in Nigeria, and you're telling me that we are one Nigeria, and you're telling me that Biafra has no right to go. How can that be? There is no one Nigeria. I remember this lady wrote something that I posted on Facebook, and my brother Fanny Kaide also posted it. One Natasha lady wrote something about the amalgamation. He said, Nigerians, you need to go and ask questions about the amalgamation. Who signed on behalf of Nigeria? Ahmad Bello, Awolowo, Nnamdi Azikiwe. None of them was up to 10 years old when the amalgamation agreement was signed in 1914. Who signed on behalf of Nigeria? You see, Nigeria is, that's why whenever Nnamdi Kanu calls Nigeria a zoo, I feel like correcting him, because Nigeria is worse than a zoo. If you call Nigeria a zoo, it's an insult to all those beautiful, well-behaved animals that are in the zoo. Because in a zoo, animals are behaved. As I posted something on my Facebook page some time ago, I posed a question. I said, if a zoo is run the way Nigeria is run, would you take your family there? No, you can't take your family there. They will kill your children, kill you. Nigeria is worse than even a jungle. It is not a nation, it's a plantation. This is what is going on. How can you, in your right senses, still talk about one Nigeria when Sharia police is operational? When Sharia code is ruling one part of the nation and the other part is told to shut up and follow the useless Nigerian constitution that is no constitution at all, with a whopping 65 items on the exclusive list. No one is talking about. You just can't talk about anything. One Nigeria doesn't exist, and Biafra is coming, in case you don't know.